Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow screen recording on Mac. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security. Scroll down again, looking for System, for Screen and System Audio Recording. And here you will see the apps that you can allow to you are allowing to screen recording. For example, Google Chrome, iScreenShotter. This app is for screenshots and also recording screen. This one is also for screenshots, and this is OBS. If you want to, if this an app is status is like there, to allow it, simply check it like this. And this is how to allow screen recording on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.